To check your Remitly limit, follow these steps. Log into your Remitly account. Open the Remitly app or visit the Remitly website. Sign in with your registered email and password. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to your Account Settings or Profile section. This is usually found in the top right corner of the screen. View Transaction Limits. In the Account Settings or Profile page, look for a section titled Limits, Sending Limits, or Transaction Limits. Here, you will see your current transfer limits, including daily, weekly, or monthly sending limits based on your account verification status. Check verification status. Your limits are influenced by your identity verification level. Ensure your identity is fully verified by submitting government-issued ID and proof of address if required. Increase limits. If your limit is low, check if you need to complete additional verification steps. This may include providing more documentation or linking a payment method. Contact support. If you cannot find your limit details or need help understanding them, contact Remitly's customer support for assistance.